Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. Today we are going to understand how to generate pie chart on top of map chart in Tableau. So for this, we'll go in the environment of Tableau. I'll require one measure and one dimension from here. So I'll pick up state and I'll pick up profit from here. The multiple selections of the variables can be done with the help of control button on your keyboard. Drag it and drop it in the canvas. Now I'll select profit from here and drop into the column. The next step is to create two maps. Listen to my instructions very carefully. This is latitude is there. Press Control Shift and then slowly shift the latitude. I am again repeating Control Shift and select this latitude and drop it again. So two maps we will get ready. Control Shift and latitude. All these things are to be done simultaneously. Now select this and convert it into the dual axis. So it has got converted into the dual axis. So whatever changes which I do in the marks, say for example, all, it will be applicable in both the charts, 1 and 2. But if I do some changes on only on first chart, or I can do the changes on the second chart, that is quite likely possible. Now I would like to remove these figures from this chart. So this sum profit which is displayed here, I will drag it and drop it inside. Similarly, the same thing I will do for here also. Sum profit and the numbers are gone. Now I'll pick up the profit from here and drop it into the size. The circles will appear. Open this, select the circle from here, click on the size and increase the size a little bit. Click in the color and whatever circle color which you want, you can have the circle color. So large circle represents large profit. Moreover, I can have also the border here. I can keep the border also if I want. So the border is activated. Now I want to convert these circles into the pie chart. How can I do it? I'll select from here the pie chart. And from here, I will pick up the category and drop it into the column. You can see the pie chart is ready. If I want to increase the size, I can do it very well. So the pie chart on top of the map chart is ready. Now you can see here in the legends, the profit is indicated by the size of the circle also, moreover by the shades also. So the same variable is represented by the color also and size also. Say for example, if I talk about this state, New York, the profits are high and as it is profits are high, it is a dark blue color circle. Moreover, the pie chart is also very big. So two variables, one variable is represented in two ways. Can I replace it? Can I include one more variable instead of profit or not? Quite, yeah, we can do it. What we'll do, we'll go in the latitude and instead of profit, now we will include the sales in the color. So now we are having sales. The shading represents the sales. The size of the pie chart represents the profit and the inside color represents the category. So if you hover a mouse on any state, for example, in this, so this is the California state, category is office supplies and the profit is $37,748. Those states which are making losses, for example, this one or this one, you can hover your mouse here and you can see the profits are quite low. The state is Iowa, category is furniture and profit is 520. In this, we are only having the category of office supplies. We don't have furniture and technology here. Now, in case if you require more detailing, when you hover your mouse on any of the pie chart, see at present it is only giving you profit. But I also require the quantity being sold. So what you will do, you'll pick up the quantity from here and drop it into the detailing. Now, when you hover the mouse on a particular pie, it will also give you the quantity. So this is a way you can generate pie chart that is a pie chart on map chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Please don't forget to press the like button.